Linking and embedding files. In the Basic Concepts chapter, I told you about the difference between linking and embedding files, and specifically that while linked cells or ranges, when updated, get updated in all files where the link is made, embedded files are not updated automatically when the source data for that embedded data changes. With that said, understand that with most files, you can either link or embed, depending on your particular choice and the needs of the situation at hand. You can link or embed an Excel worksheet into a Word document or into a PowerPoint presentation, for example. To link one file to another file, you would open both files, or as many files in which you need to add the link, and then go to the file that contains the material you want to link the other files to, such as here, and then you're going to go to the copy icon on your toolbar. You could also go to Edit and choose Copy, but here we're going to choose Copy from the toolbar. Next, you're going to go to the first file where you want to copy this link into. Click on the location where it should be inserted. So for example, if we're doing this to another workbook, we might go here and go to page 2 and set this up where it should appear. Now we're going to go to the Edit menu and we're going to select Paste Special. Now, notice the options available on the Paste Special window. However, what we want to do here is click the Paste Link button, and now you'll notice that the information that we wanted to copy over is now linked to this page. You could just go through if you wanted to link another file to the same, you would just go through and repeat the same thing, basically very much like we did before with linking files in the previous tutorial. However, the process changes a bit and depends on whether you're embedding something that already exists or a brand new object for embedding. When you embed a new object, such as an Excel chart, into another file, it's a little bit different. First, you'll go back to the area where you were working before. When you want to embed a new object, something that doesn't already appear, let's say we're going to Sheet 2 and we want to embed a new object we haven't created yet, we would go to the Insert menu and we would select Object. Now, you can either create it from a file that you've already set up on your system, or you can create new and then select the type of object that you're going to create and add here, such as a media clip. Then you'd click OK. Excel will then let you create the object that you're embedding. Here it's giving you a warning message about Media Player because we're inserting a media clip, and that's fine. To fix the problem, click Yes, and it'll allow you to fix it. But we're going to create a file which will then be embedded in this particular worksheet. Now, if you want to embed an existing object, such as an image, let's do this instead. We're going to click Insert. We're going to click Object. We're going to choose Create from File, and now we're going to browse until we find the file that we want to embed here. So for example, let's choose the Case Study Overview, and now we'll click Insert. When this opens up, you'll want to click to check, click the Link to File checkbox, and then you can also just display it as an icon if you click to check that. Note that under Results it says it inserts the contents of the file into your document and creates a link to the source file. Changes to the source file will be reflected in your document. Because we're creating a link to this embedded object, it will get updated. And click OK. And then the information is supplied here.